Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply one of my favorite strip lashes. They're called Demi Wispies.
Come on in.
I like Demi Wispies because they have a beautiful curl. They don't look too heavy, very light look. And I'm just going to show you exactly how you need to apply it from underneath your own eyelashes. They are shorter on the inside and they're longer on the outside. They have some crisscrossing also, which makes them look very natural. The first step we have to do is actually measure them to my eye. And I'm going to hold them up to my eyes. I really want a good fit. And that should cover my present lashes and give these lashes a great look. What I need to do is cut into the short end on the inside corner, about 1/4 of an inch in length. So I'm measuring the other eye, and I know what I need to do. I need to cut off the other ones the same amount of length. Okay, now I'm ready to take my Lash Lock Glad Lash glue, and I'm going to use this area to apply a few drops of Glad Lash glue. I'm going to take my pointed end of my spear and just lightly apply it on the invisible band. I'm going from one end to the other. I also want to get them on some of the bottom area of the lashes. Make sure you have it on both ends because that's where people say the lashes might pop off. Next step is to fan the lashes just for a few seconds. That helps the glue get really tacky and form a better bond. Now when I apply these, I'm going to apply them underneath so they bond with my own lashes. Lift up your eyelid. You're going to see the bottom of your own natural lashes, and that's where you want to make your attachment. You do not want to get them on the inside of your eye, definitely not on the pinks of your membrane. Just tap them down, and that's it. Good to go. Now for my left eye. Again, I'm picking up the glue with the spear of my other tweezer, and I start tapping them on the base. I want to make sure I get glue on the base of the lashes, on the band, and where the lashes connect with the band. Just double checking. Lifting up my eyelid so I can see the base of my natural lashes. And then I am going to tap them so they'll adhere to my own lashes. This technique is a lash-to-lash application. So that completes that application. This is a look that has your strip lashes going in on the inside corner, and it's attached in the middle, and it's flaring out. The longest lashes are both on the outer area. This gives a very natural look. I love it because these lashes are many different lengths. Glad Lash has a very large selection of all different styles. You may want to go heavier, you may want to go lighter, but try these Demi Wispies. They're a real hit with all of my customers. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give the Demi Wispy lashes a try. It's easier than you think, and stay tuned for more videos.